Hey Lisa, I want to do this video to talk about the little exercise. Okay, I'm gonna walk you through the initial breaking down of variables. So I'd like for you to do this for me, just to practice, um, since I think it'll be good practice for you to kind of be familiar with it. It'll be easy, and then we're gonna execute the command, and then we're gonna kind of verify that things are working. Okay, so first step right now is it's under order exit right now on the right side. I'll push this update out on GitHub. Just kind of open it up. It should be, you should see it right here. Okay, so once you open this up, don't forget to also create a different branch to pull this out so that you don't mess it up if whatever, or mess up other parts of the code. So anyways, how I said that every single one we're gonna be breaking down the inputs. So this is the inputs that I need, which is exactly what I need here for a conditional, place a conditional order. So I basically kind of, am expecting these inputs to come in so that I can then create the command. So I put this here, and I also created an alert with those actual numbers that kind of fill the side, symbol, order type, quantity, price, whatever, and these numbers should go into these variables. So it's been broken down line delimited to comma delimited. This then goes into here, and that gets broken up by comma. So we're gonna pull all those out and then set each one of these list items. So 0 is side, list items 1, etc. I know it's real simple, but I just want you to practice with it. So I've kind of set it up so that you can kind of be familiar with it. And I'm just gonna do this real quick. This is just how, so I can see that this loop or this define has started in the log. And then I want you to execute it once you run it, and then look at the debug file to make sure that you can see the results have been pulled out properly. Okay, so I want you to set those up, put them in here, and verify it. Once it's in here, you'll be able to see it. And then we're gonna probably have to do a call. Let me just copy the same call from here. How it places orders. API call, it's gonna place an active order. So we're going to use this one, but instead of using this call, we're going to have to use a different one that says conditional order by using a different command. Yeah, so now we're just going to grab this so that you can kind of see. If you can set this up, that would be awesome. There's a little bit of a trick here. I give you a little hint, okay? This here, I think you did a command, which I use in here on my actual call. So I did a command to retrieve the place order. You're gonna have to retrieve a place conditional order and then put it back into it. And you actually make the call. So this is the call. So I put the command here, okay? So you gotta set this all up, change the call to a conditional order, URL type, whatever, and then enter the parameters that we need for the conditional order. So I'll bring in everything that you need here. So you'll have all the pieces, okay? Just copy and kind of like match it up how I did the other one. This is the API call. I'll bring in the API call, and this is how we called it over here. Oh, that's the wrong one. So this is the actual limit order place order is a working version. We're just gonna repeat the process, but use it for conditional order. Okay, and I'll put this in here now. So just copy and paste. There it is. I'm gonna call this the conditional order object. Order object. All right. So there it is. Change that to place conditional order or whatever the command that you created as, so that it pulls in the right one. And then I want you to verify the command verify this, put that all into verify inputs so you can see it being called properly. And then of course you're gonna have to have an actual order. That's placed on Bybit, because actually you don't need an active order to place this, I think. Yeah, just do this for now. Yeah, you can actually place an order on there, a conditional order. Once we can do that, then we're gonna have some additional variables to enter, because this will be different, because in my place order I want to enclose it with a conditional order over here where it says if I want to enclose it, I'll need to then calculate what I need to kind of enclose it with that amount. But as long as the command can work, I can then enclose the trade so that I'll have a limit order above and a limit order below. Let me show you how that works. Let's see here. Let me log into my Bybit. So right now I can place a limit order, right? But also I want to do a conditional order right below it. So I'll have the inputs I need to place it right below it by calculating numbers and entering it right now. So all this does is just places the conditional order. Hopefully I didn't confuse you so much, but there it is. Okay. Thanks for watching, and yeah, please set that up for me, and then go from there. Okay, so keep it simple. Set up these variables and then spit them out here. Okay, if you want to go pro, you can set this part up. Otherwise, you know, you can try it. If it doesn't work, then I'll help you out with this part. Okay, but that should go in here, and then we'll make the actual call and then verify that it came out properly. Okay, thanks.